If you're trying to start a business or build a brand, before you even have a name, logo, slogan, or before diving into any creative details, you need this. Hey there, I'm Matt Nemitz with Focal Fuse, where the goal is to help you be seen, heard, and understood with captivating visuals. This is the video series where I learn, apply, and teach branding, design, and video with you. With that being said, let's get into it. As people, we're curious by nature, and from an early age we start to ask this really important and sometimes annoying question. But before you begin to start your business and focusing on the creative details, it's important to ask this question first. You need to ask why. Why is this important, and why am I doing this? These questions help to define your purpose, and they're the building blocks for a strong foundation in any business or brand. Tip number 2 is to associate keywords. So once you're able to define your why and to figure out your purpose and develop a strong foundation to build off of, it's important to then go ahead and associate words that you want to be remembered by and you want people to think of when they think about your brand, business, or organization. Once you begin to build this list, it's important to narrow it down to 3 main words, and these 3 words will be the driving factor of tone and voice throughout your brand or business. So tip number 3 is to determine your mission. So if you take your why that you previously stated and you combine those with your 3-word associations for your company, brand, or business, then that helps you create and develop a strong mission statement. Now this mission statement should help you summarize your goals, it should help you plan for success, and it should help act as a guide to take you from the present day to the future without compromising your intent. And if you ever stray from this mission, it's always important to look back, to get a review, and to remind yourself why you did this in the first place. So by starting with why, as Simon Sinek always preaches, I think that concept is really fascinating and brilliant, and I couldn't agree more because why is such an important question that we need to ask that before we start diving into creative details. So by combining the why with your 3 keyword associations and forming a strong foundation and mission statement, you're already going to be set up in a great spot to understand what you do and to be able to help your customers or clients understand what product or service that you offer them. So with that being said, be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications. If you think someone needs to see this video, go ahead and share it with them. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.